guys, this video is about when my car caught on fire 4 years ago on my 36th wedding anniversary 4 years ago. I went to the doctor that day, and when I got to the doctor, my blood pressure was sky high. They would not let me leave until they got my blood pressure down. I had went because my throat was hurt. They gave me prescriptions for antibiotics and pain medication. I dropped my prescription off at Walgreens. I went to Wendy's to get me a Frosty. When I got back, my prescription was ready. Picked my prescriptions up at the drive-thru, and all of a sudden, my dashboard lit up. I'm like, why is my dashboard lighting up? I said, I know this car is not on fire with me in it. And then the flame just said, phew. So I pulled over to Sheets. Windows and the doors, everything locked up on me. I could not get out. When I pulled over there and turned the car off, that's when everything just like, my window came down and the doors unlocked. And 4 years ago, I could have been dead and gone, but God saw fit for me to stay here, be here on this earth a little while longer. I will insert the video of what happened.
Car on fire. She was in the car driving. The next thing she know, the dashboard lit up and the doors locked up. She was at the Walgreens getting her medication because she's been sick with a sore throat. Oh my God. Let me tell y'all something. God is good. She could have been trapped in this car. Car caught on fire while she was driving it. Oh, you had just some ice cream, huh? Yeah. Yeah, she's okay. They said, are you okay? Thank God she was not trapped in that car because the doors locked up. The fire department just left. They had to put it out, but wow. You can see she has a sore throat. She had been to the doctor and her blood pressure was up. They wouldn't let her leave. So she was been at the doctor's all morning, so they got that under control. Then she was going to get her medication for her throat. And she said next thing she know, the dashboard lit up and the doors locked. She don't even know how it came down. But I know it was God. God is awesome. The devil thought it. Yes. Yes. This is crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Oh my God. Okay, so I think that's where it must have started because I see the. They had to make sure it was out. She is okay physically. She just shook up a lot because imagine being trapped in and the doors locking up. Because it happened right, you know, everything is electronic and it happened, you know, it started in the dash. So I think that tore her nerves up. You was sleeping good, weren't you?
No, I was doing the makeup tutorial.
Oh, you was? Your eyes look cute.
I'm not done yet.
Where y'all at? B, we are right here at the food line at 1010, the Sheets. 1010. Wow.
Getting towed to the house.
So, no, this is towed. I mean, they might as well tow this to the junk, girl. Yeah. Have you called the insurance people yet? Yeah, so they can go ahead on and tow it. Or give me the number and I'll call.
Oh my God, you can smell those.
Yeah, so when I got here, they were still spraying stuff in here to
get it off.
Yeah, to make sure it's out. It started, you can see where it started,
Yeah,
right?
see where it started right there. Right up under her dash.
Yep.
Oh, great.
Today is my parents' anniversary. Let the police call a tow truck.
I wasn't even worried about this mess. I said, whatever's in it, they can burn up. I ain't even care.
I know that's right.
I ain't even care. They can have it.
You want to put it in my phone?
Everybody said they're glad you're okay.
Oh, thank
Thank
y'all.
God you're safe.
Thank y'all. Today has been a day. Just left the doctor.
Yeah, she just left the doctor.
I'm picking my medication up right now.
She's picking the medication up at Walgreens. Your trunk clear? It's a miracle.
Keeping my car clean. That is a miracle. Let me take this.
No shopping bag?
I don't do shopping. I got my TLC back here, okay?
Oh, you what?
That's what we got. TLC.
What's in there? What do you have? Oh, yeah,
Kit and
your
stuff.
that just joined. My mom's car caught on fire. Okay. Just thankful that she is okay. Physically, she's okay. But it caught on fire in the dash and everything kind of like locked up. Oh, this car over here beeping, honey. Ain't no keys in it.
Huh? That's what's beeping.
Yeah.
Let me go. Let's get away from here.
There's no keys in it and it's doing something. Wow. God is good. God is good.
I don't know how to get the.
Get what?
I gotta get all my money out.
Oh, is money in there?
Yeah, my
Yeah.
all my money stuff.
Signing off. Hope y'all have a great day. Yes, thank you everybody. Glad she's okay. God is so
Not
good.
yet subscribed to my channel? What are you waiting on? Join my family, baby. Join my family. Hit that subscribe button. You would never miss another upload. Share this video with your family, your friends, so they can subscribe too, okay? I love you guys. Thanks for joining my family. Thanks for being in my family. All of you that are old, y'all know I love y'all. Y'all know I love y'all. My oldies, but my besties and my goodies, okay? I love you guys.